Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing good. In the previous class, we have completed Circle the Nouns. In today's class, we will be doing two bits B and C. Rewrite and punctuate the following and circle the describing words. So be ready with your practice books. Yes, open your practice books and write the heading as English Term 1 Practice. In previous class we have written circle the naming words, and today we will be writing rewrite and punctuate the following. Write the heading as rewrite and punctuate the following. Today's date is 14th, so we will be writing 14th October 2020. Okay, and the first one is, what is meant by punctuation, children? Punctuation means you have to start with a capital letter and end with a full stop when there is a simple sentence. And when it is a question form, you have to end it with a question mark. I hope you all have understood, as we have already done this in our classwork as well as our readers. So the first one I am going to read it. Who is at the gate? What is this, children? Who is at the gate? It is a question, and here it is not ending with a question mark. So we have to again rewrite the sentence and correct it whether we have to put a question mark or a full stop. So again we will be writing who is at the gate. We have to end it with a question mark. So put a question mark at the end of your sentence. Like this. This is called a question mark, children. We have to write it as it is, children. Okay? Start with the capital letter and end it with the question mark. Now second one will be the bag is red. Okay? The bag is red. In this we have to start the sentence with the capital letter. Here it is mentioned small letter T, but we have to begin it with the capital letter T. The bag is red. Now end it with the full stop. I hope you have understood. Now next one will be my name is Amit. My name is Amit. You have to start the sentence with the capital letter, children. Okay? M-Y, my name is Amit. Wherever naming words or nouns come, you have to start with a capital letter. So we have to write A-M-I-T, Amit, and end it with a full stop here. Okay? Next one will be, where do you live? Where do you live? It is a question. So how we will write? We will write the same thing, starting with the capital letter. Where do you live? And end it with a question mark, as it is a question. I hope you have understood, and try to practice more by reading more sentences. And this carries 2 marks, as you will be getting only 2 sentences in this bit. I hope I am clear. Okay, children, you have to write this in your practice book. Our next bit will be circle the describing words. C bit. Okay, children, so we will first know about describing words. What are describing words? Words that describe naming words are called describing words. Earlier we have done naming words, circling the naming words. Now we will do describing words. Okay? Now first one will be, I have a red bat. Okay? I have a red bat. Here we are describing bat as red. So we will circle red. Okay? You are a nice girl. You are a nice girl. Girl is nice. So we will circle describing word nice. The grapes are sweet. The grapes are sweet. How are the grapes? The grapes are sweet. So circle sweet. The tea is hot. The tea is hot. How is the tea? The tea is hot. Okay. So in this way you will be circling. Next you have fifth one. A rabbit is a small animal. A rabbit is a small animal. What is rabbit? Rabbit is an animal, and how is it? It is a small animal. So we are describing rabbit as small. This is a soft teddy bear. This is a soft teddy bear. How is the teddy bear? The teddy bear is soft. So we will circle soft. Saloni is a good girl. Saloni is a good girl. How is Saloni? She is a good girl. Okay, so we will circle good. Ali is wearing a blue shirt. Ali is wearing a blue shirt. Which shirt Ali is wearing? He is wearing a blue colored shirt. So we will circle blue. In this way, you will be writing your describing words. And today's homework will be writing of punctuation one time and describing words one time. You have to write these 2 pages in your practice notebooks and send it to me in the group. Write it very neatly, and you have to read and write, children. You don't have to just copy the sentences. You have to read and write. Until and unless you read the sentences, you will not be able to identify the nouns and describing words. Okay? So I hope you have all understood what I have taught you. See you in the next class, children. Bye bye.